You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's giving you another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we are with Medz Boss. Yeah, man. Medz Boss with Asylum boy. Comment section. Once again, thanks for pointing me in the right direction. I was being told to react to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Red Dot, and then comment section point me over here to Medz Boss. So me hear about shit about Joseph and thing. So I was asking the question, who is Joseph? And them say, yo, I'm Medz Boss. So we there. Also, guys, remember to follow me on Twitch. Please follow me on the Twitch. Where my Twitch there? So my Twitch, yeah. Please follow me on the Twitch. I would be doing a giveaway at some point, maybe a PlayStation 5 or something. So just follow me over there. So you understand? Link I got there in the comment section. So follow me over there. So anyway, I could jump to the one now. Medz Boss, Asylum boy, let's go. We got a production team. Big Bang Studios, big up.
What do you think their spirits go when they die?
You want to talk about that? Look the keys from the boot, dark we are sin. Them never kill nobody and them gonna foreign. But them short like gold, really cap in my sin. Make the key boss wrap it up and play with the pin. Dark.
Walla, wait. Who never kill nobody and gonna foreign? Who never kill nobody and gonna foreign? Who never make me mad in there now? Hey, comment section, talk to me, please. Please. Remember, some of you know how I go on Trinidad, you know. Some of you know nobody take on me as a personal, you see me? All right.
What do you think their spirits go when they die?
You want to talk about that? Look the keys from the boot, dark we are sin. Them never kill nobody and them
gonna foreign.
Some short like gold, really cap in my sin. Make the key boss wrap it up and play with the pin. Black like half the light side. Everybody chill, somebody kill Billy Axe, we never kill.
Somebody kill Billy Axe, we never kill. Wait no man.
Everybody chill, somebody kill Billy Axe, we never kill. We love the cheap Glock, but the key teleport. Could a mark at the piece, them shot in your nose. Which life them take, man, take off them clothes. But the boy turn freak, I see a standing for no gun circle.
Yo, big up the editor. Can I big up the production team properly? Editor, big up on yourself, dog. Who not put in great works, bro? Clot. Medz Boss, I first want to listen one of your songs, them, G.
What do you think their spirits go when they die?
You want to talk about that? Look the keys from the boot, dark we are sin. Them never kill nobody and them gonna
not foreign.
Some short like gold, really cap in my sin. Make the key boss wrap it up and play with the pin. Dark like half the light side. Everybody chill, somebody kill Billy Axe, we never kill. We love the cheap Glock, but the key teleport. Could a mark at the piece, them shot in your nose. Which life them take, man, take off them clothes. But the boy turn freak, I see a standing for.
Man say which life on take? Man take off on the clothes, man strip on the naked. Oh no, batty boy, man a peg no. Not how the GS writer, so not me. The man sound a fish, herring, salmon. The man sound a blood clot lobster. The man sound a red herring. Yeah, the man sound a bag of thing about to the dog. I don't mean.
Which life them take, man, take off them clothes. But the boy turn freak, I see a standing for. No gun circle, the men's only thing you live up at the statement, they get the feds.
The man say the only thing where you live. The man say you not live up nothing. The man say you not live up nothing. Pussy, the only thing where you live up at the statement where you give the feds. Man say you work with the police, you work with Popo, 5-0. You work with 12.
No gun circle, the men's only thing you live up at the statement, they get the feds. In a band like my daddy one president. Trample and be senseless in them residents. The pussy them.
Trample and be senseless in them residents. I don't in them residents. We are kill everything, dog.
In a band like my daddy one president. Trample and be senseless in them residents. The pussy them switch, pussy 15 rules. From a day of school, me and me gonna classroom. Marks about them be a evil and cruel. Rifle with lasers like many black too. Body gun getting flashbacks, body can't move. Them still have training wheels, them a cartoon.
Man say yo, them still have training wheels. them still up on balance wheel, them a cartoon. Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, Oh Sammy the Sam, Coyote Roadrunner, Pink Panther, Mr. Bean, Powerpuff Girls, Dexter's Lab, Flintstones, Simpsons, on a blood clock cartoon. That's how the GS say, not me. I never said so. I never said it.
They gon' get in flashbacks, body can't move. Them still have training wheels, them a cartoon. Me don't know who gas them up like them drink fluid. Boss your head, Berry Billy next to him. Chew them head back, shot exiting. See him on your bite, we feet, we press sipping. We lock the globe, send to the world, you know. F6 jump out, send form like Ludo. Reverse them two, pick up that's Uno. Body can.
Hold on, See him on your bite, we feet, we. Hold on. A plumpy bass this, though? A plumpy bass this, right? This a plumpy, right? I'm pretty sure I plumpy this, you know.
Press sipping, we lock the globe, send to the world, you know. F6 jump out, send form like Ludo. Reverse them two.
See, that in face I hide. No, the difference part of this.
To pick up that's Uno. Body get it, stats swell up like sumo. Out in the play games and they fly away. Hiding bout barbecue, I must catch up on fry wings.
But the barbecue, I must catch up on. Wait, the barbecue don't come from Haiti. I Trinidad this.
Play games and they fly away. Hiding bout barbecue, I must catch up on fry wings. Beg for asylum and chatting for IG. Never make a step and you know what to find when.
Man say, yo, on a beg for asylum. Asylum boy. How beg for asylum? How beg for asylum and a chat on IG? Remember, say nobody in a pussy. Remember, say not for running from Trinidad. That's what the G said. Not me. Not me.
Beg for asylum and chatting for IG. Never make a step and you know what to find when the dark trample the street. Bust the AK, we love the Kalish. What the fuck do Kashif turn it on, make it beat?
What the fuck do Kashif turn it on, make it beat? Hold on, intermission. I want to say this carefully. Apparently, there's a clash going on in Trinidad. Listen, you see me over here, so? Me talk a bag of things. I don't mean nothing by it. So I know what the Trinidad artists them take offense. The Jamaican artists them know how mistake. The British artists them know how mistake. Trinidad artists, if you don't know how mistake, and you don't take offense, who may I say, I'm coming on my DM, brother. I'm not a bad man. I'm not a gangster. All right? Yes. I'm not a street youth. No. That's not me. I'm not about the badness anymore. I'm put it long. All right? So I beg you, please. Nobody join on my DM and tell me no fuckery and tell me say me a pig side. I'm not doing that. All right? Yes, because I'm going to do it to other creators. I don't want to do it to me. I'm just a one on the dog. Don't do it to me, bro. Don't do it to me. All right? Let's go.
For anybody what you run up in a days, they can't lift up no gun circle immense. Only thing you lift up at the statement they give the feds. In the back like my daddy when president. Trample and be senseless in them resident. Do the keys from the boat, dark we are sin. Them never kill nobody and them gonna foreign. But some chode like goat, really cap in my sing. Make the key boss wrap it on my player with the pin. Dark like half the light. Everybody chill, somebody kill Billy 𝐑𝐄𝐂 never kill. We love the cheap Glock, but the 𝐑𝐄𝐂.
It's not plumpy. That person that I said earlier, it's not plumpy.
Somebody kill Billy 𝐑𝐄𝐂 never kill. We love the cheap Glock, but the 𝐑𝐂𝐂 report could a mark at the piece. Them shot in your nose. Which life them take, man, take off them clothes. But the boy turn free, can't see a stand lift up. No gun circle immense. Only thing you lift up at the statement they get the fed. In the back like my daddy one president. Trample and be senseless in them resident.
Pussy clock. The war is on. I'm right now, I'm gonna be following this war more closely because the war is on. I never know about the war before. Never know about the war before. Now the comment section tell me say you have to react. No, we are gonna look out now. So the first song to drop was this one. Then it's 𝐑𝐂𝐶 Red Dot. Then we're gonna go back. We're gonna wait up for Medz Boss. So let me see if Medz Boss. Yeah, let me subscribe to Medz Boss Vivo. So anytime the G drop a song, we can get it and be here for react to. Alright? Yeah. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please follow me on Twitch as well. Remember, don't take when I say serious over here. So yes, yeah, I have to warn you because I know say enough of no touches in the dog. I have no feelings, so I don't want to do that. You understand? Alright. Big up on yourself. A music we say when I love man. Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer. You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more binds, span them and do what? Def them.